Good morning, another day on the island. We didn't do everything we wanted to do the other day, so we've rented another motorbike for today.
And today we're going to see some waterfalls. Yay! Yeah.
So we arrived middle of the jungle. We had to leave our bikes because the roads were just dirt roads, quite impossible to drive over there.
So we are on a hunt for waterfalls.
As you can see, there isn't much water coming down as we are the end of March and rainy season has finished. So after visiting Paradise Waterfall, and you can tell why it's called Paradise, we came to Phang Waterfall, 200 meters from this area, and we're going to Don Silla viewpoint as well. We're going for the viewpoint first. This is quite a hike. We've been walking for about 20 minutes and it's quite tricky, as you can see. It's quite tiring, isn't it?
Yeah.
Time to head back now.
Lunchtime.
Yes. What did you think about the viewpoint?
Oh, it was pretty decent. Quite tricky to get up there.
Yeah, that's true.
Then you get a pretty view. The forest, the sea. Quite nice.
So we just stopped for lunch. What are you having, Christiana?
Fried rice with shrimp.
Looks amazing. A bit of lime juice on top. Mine has arrived. Stir-fried chicken with chili paste.
Okay, we just finished lunch. Now we're gonna chase some more waterfalls.
We're the waterfall hunters. This is Kong Nan Waterfall. I'm gonna show you a cool little lake. Stunning, isn't it? Right.
So peaceful. I love the surroundings.
Yes.
You can see some fishes, you can hear the birds. Very nice.
So we just arrived to the beach. What's the name?
That's a bet.
Don Silla. We're gonna have a mixed fruit shake. Number 7. Mango, passion fruit, lychees and strawberries.
1
How's that mixture? Good choice?
They too big.
No big.
A bit of pepper. What is this? Water?
Very soft.
Ah, very soft.
20 baht.
Thank you.
Kapnka.
Christian is gonna try the grasshopper, and she's terrified, but really terrified of grasshoppers. So this is a big challenge for her. You can do it. It's good, isn't it? It's quite good. Crunchy.
Oh, their faces.
So we just threw up our bike. Now it's time to have dinner. I'm having Indonesian fried rice. And Christiana's dinner is gonna be a mozzarella sandwich, Italian style. Yummy, yummy. Looks good.
It's mine. We're just gonna finish our video over here. Don't forget to watch our videos and to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.
How are you today?
Can't believe this. How are you today?
He's
Coughing.
He's coughing.
How are you today?
How are you today?
You're very funny, you know that.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Sawadee ka.